For task 1, first I enable forwarding on all 3 virtual machines and change the namespace to 8.8.8.8 on all 3 virtual machines. Then change MTU value on all 3 virtual machines. And then I change the default gateway on VM1 to the IP address on VM2 that connected to VM1, and same. I changed the default gateway on VM2 to the IP address on VM3 that connect to V2, and then I change the default gateway on VM3 to 182.168.3.1 to connect to the internet. Then I enable that traversal and forwarding on VM2 and also on VM3. And finally, I can ping successfully from VM1 to both interface on VM3 and also 8.8.8.8, and also I can access to the internet from VM1. Okay, that's it. For task 2, first I do some groundwork, like change default input policy from job to accept, and then install and enable telnet on both VM2 and VM3, and then perform telnet successfully from VM2 to VM3 and vice versa. And then I use the command service ufw stop and start to restart the firewall. And then I block the telnet on VM3. So as you can see, I cannot connect to VM2 from VM3 through telnet. So it's always trying. And then I log a specific website from VM3. As you can see, is www.jndan.net. It cannot establish the connection, and then I block the ICMP ping request on VM1. So from VM2 I cannot ping VM1's IP address. As you can see, if I ping the VM1, it cannot get response. And then I log all the traffic from ETH0 on VM2. Use this command. Then I can see the log. Use this. And finally, I save the firewall configuration. That's it.